Hi guys, just on my way to pick Junior up. I think we're going to go back to our little local spot in the woods where we've been building up the Bushcraft camp. This will be Junior ringing me actually right now, but can't answer. So yeah, we're going to go there and start building on the camp a little bit more, I think, because the log shed that we built to store dry wood has started to leak, which is obviously expected. That moss now will be getting a bit old, so we're going to try and replace all that and get things back up and running. Cringe! You go into the shop and you buy your items, you buy your drink, your pasty, and and the girl behind the counter says, "Would you like a receipt?" But what you think you heard was, "Would you like a cup of tea?" No! So this is the log shed. You've obviously seen this before if you've been going through the previous videos and stuff. But over time, as I was saying, all this stuff, if there's like thinner layers here than there is over here and stuff, you will find that water will find its way through. And the aim of today is to take some of that off, well, all of that off. And then I think I'm just gonna lay like a bit of tarpaulin across and then reapply all this on top, and hopefully that will stop water completely coming through. What's your plans, Junior?
I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna eat these crisps, have a little think, and then get to it.
After you've eaten the crisps?
Yeah.
First things first.
Always food first.
So we've got the layer of tarpaulin on. It's not traditional, obviously I understand that, but we could go back out there, get some more moss and relay it all again, but I just think if we're only going to be coming here once, twice a month, to keep on top of it that way would be a lot more hard work. So we're just going to lay this tarpaulin and then we're going to lay the dirt and moss back on top of that in order to keep it looking traditional as well. So that's it, pretty much done now. We've got the layer of tarpaulin underneath. There's no way of really hiding that, unfortunately, but looks a lot better, and it's given us a peace of mind now that the wood that we cut, all the hard work we put in, ain't going to just be for nothing. That wood's going to stay dry now. So
get another length similar to this, wrap the tarpaulin round it, secure it to this at one end, get another piece with another piece similar, secure it to that at that end, roll it out so then it goes in between the two sticks. Probably me explaining it then didn't make it very clear, but you'll see soon.
Junior's in full swing of designing the little sheltered seating area. How are you feeling about this project, Junior? You feeling confident?
Yeah, I'm feeling confident. It's just hope the structure's old, to be honest.
Yeah, that moment's kind of gone now. Now I've been blinded.
Make sure you have your sheath on, because if that axe
if you pull
flips off of there, flips round, and goes into your arm, you're going to be absolutely screwed. No going on from that. Health and safety 101.
This is a health and safety nightmare, is what this is. This is not. Oh god. That wall is going to snap. It'll all make more sense once this tarp's on, but basically the gist of it is we drop the main pole on there, it rests on there. Junior's hammering the next 2 stakes in. The other side will sit on there. And the weight of this back log here will pull all this tarp tight, and we'll have a nice little shelter to sit underneath. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Junior's done a marvellous job with this. So when it rains now, we've got somewhere like basically an all-weather camp where we can just come. Rain's not a problem anymore. And yeah, I've got quite a lot done in the log shed today, so obviously we've waterproofed that. Piled a load more debris on top, as you can see, and then started chopping a load more wood. So it's really starting to come together. Hi guys, thank you for coming along with us. It's been an absolute pleasure, like I said. I will be starting to make more content in between the explore videos. And yeah, we've got loads done today. I'm really chuffed with how we've just turned up and cracked straight on. It's been really good. Anything to add, Junior? He's got his mouth full.
I'm just glad.
Fucking hell! Are you with us? Are you with us?
Have you seen it? It's so dry.
Cheese
and a ham sandwich, it's dry. The mouth's so cracky.
I've never seen someone chew that so much. Jesus Christ, you made a meal out of it.
It was so hard to get through. I had to sniffing it in, breathing in, and anyway, just trial and error. I mean, get out there, try something. If it doesn't work, try another thing. If it doesn't work,
not heroin.
Give up.
Not heroin. don't try heroin. But yeah, like I said, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you guys for sticking around with us still. To all the new subscribers, welcome, and thank you for being here. Every bit of support that we're shown, we really do appreciate. So until next time, take it easy, look after yourselves, help somebody out if you can. As we always say, it's nice to do that for people that are less fortunate, or even if you can just give a helping hand, always goes a long way. So until next time, take it easy and peace.
You'll too.
Toodle-diddle.
Toodle-oo.
Cat.
Oh, wait there, I need to get a little tree hug in.